Nation News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Feels pretty pleasant out there right now, but we keep hearing about it. Wind's going to be picking up pretty soon.
And it is resulting in those power outages from PG&E because the fire danger still exists. But let's get the latest from Jason now.
Yeah, last thing we need is electrified wires being blown over by very strong wind. We're expecting that strong late wind tonight all the way through tomorrow afternoon, so it's going to be a dangerous situation for us. More fire danger for pretty much all of northern central California. Looking at our fire danger forecast, thankfully, the temperatures are actually going to be a little bit cooler, between 75 and 85 degrees tomorrow afternoon, but that wind, that is what we don't need. Sustained at 20 up to 30 miles an hour with gusts to 45 in some locations. The humidity is still going to be bottoming out between 10 and 20%. So a red flag warning continues until 5 o'clock Friday afternoon with those wind gusts upwards of 45 miles an hour. Dry fuel, dry air, and warmer than average air, although the temperatures will start to decrease once we get past Thursday. Wind advisory also for Thursday from 5 a.m. until 8 p.m. again with those wind gusts upwards of 45 miles an hour possible. Then once the cold front passes by, we have colder air settling in. Tomorrow morning for the mountains around Siskiyou County, Trinity County, and Humboldt County, a freeze warning from 2 a.m. until 9 a.m. with temperatures at or below the freezing mark. Some places down close to 20 degrees. Then for Friday morning, our eastern counties, Lassen County and Plumas County, freeze watch for Friday morning, again with the temperatures at or below the freezing mark. Right now we have a wide range of temperatures, 60s to the 90s. It's 90 degrees right now in Chico, 89 degrees in Redding, and 91 degrees in Corning, also 90 degrees in Red Bluff. The wind hasn't been too strong today. It's been a breezy day. Most places less than 20 miles an hour, but it's already picking up. You can see in Eureka on the coast, it's already sustained at 21 miles an hour. And once again, we still have no rain clouds in this forecast, a couple cirrus clouds, but they're not going to help us. And also, this is not going to help us. All the strong wind that we're expecting, even late tonight through early tomorrow, it's really going to pick up. Here's 7 o'clock Thursday morning, a lot of wind between 25 and 40 miles an hour for the valley and some of our foothills also. It's going to get stronger in the afternoon hours. A lot of places between 35 and 45 miles an hour. Not as strong on Friday. We're going to call it a breezy day on Friday, and Saturday will be a brief break for us, say that 5 times fast, until the windier weather arrives again on Sunday. And it's going to be windy both Sunday and Monday with more fire danger too. Here's your forecast for Thursday. A freeze warning out for the northern mountains tomorrow morning with temperatures dropping down to the 30s. Highs will be mainly in the 60s and lower 70s. For the Sierra and the Cascades, highs will not be that high tomorrow. It will be chilly tomorrow morning, dropping out of the 20s. Daytime highs in the 60s. For the Ridge, we'll have a lot of windy weather tonight through tomorrow. Overnight lows won't fall very far, but the daytime highs won't be much warmer. Lows in the 50s and 60s with highs in the 70s. For the Valley tonight, we'll have lows mainly in the 60s. That wind keeping the temperatures fairly mild, and the daytime highs will be cooler. Highs mostly in the lower 80s tomorrow afternoon. For the Chico area, we'll have lows in the 50s and 60s with that gusty wind really developing after the sun goes down, lasting through tomorrow afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s for Thursday with much stronger wind in the forecast. The windiest days are going to be Thursday, Sunday, and Monday. No wet weather days in this forecast. It will cool down though from the 80s into the 70s in Chico. Same thing for Redding. Lower 80s tomorrow, 70s after that. Plenty of wind and unfortunately no good chances for rainy weather, more than likely until at least early November.
One city in our area is moving